bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Whipping the block, and he don't come on till the morning. I always pray.
Hey pretties, welcome. Hold up. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Okay, the natural lighting is not working. So today's video is gonna be a quick little video how I do my curly hair, take care of it, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But basically, it's gonna be how I style my curly hair. That's what I'm looking for. But I want to go on a rant as I'm doing my hair, so I should take this off. Oh yeah, this bonnet is from Shop V Gion. I don't know. I'm gonna put the name on the screen. Hopefully, if I remember to. It's like it has glue in it, so that's why it looks like dirty, but it's really not. But just a Balenciaga headband. It's cute. This girl on Instagram did my hair for me for free. She's so nice. Everybody's like, oh my god, your hair looks so good, you know. I was like, I know. But no, she does wigs really good. So you guys should go, you know, follow her on Instagram. Put her name on the screen. She does wigs really good for affordable prices. Just supply the bundles, of course. So yeah, but this hair is from Dsoar hair. I'll be working with this today. This is actually a glueless wig, so we love that. But it's a closure, so I don't have like edges like on the perimeter, which I hate. I wish I could have got a frontal, but the company didn't send me a frontal. They sent me a closure. But I was supposed to do this video for like months now, and like I couldn't do it because it's bundles. And I'd be telling companies, if you want me to do a video fast, then supply me with, you know, wigs. I can't do bundles. It takes me long to find somebody to do my wigs and stuff, you know, like it's a lot. Right, I'm back. I had to get my diamond brush. But anyways, I'm gonna rant while I talk to you guys, but I'm taking my spray bottle that really has no water in it, so I'm gonna be back again to get some water. All right guys, so I'm back. So I have my spray bottle right here. I got this from 5 and Below for $1, I think. Honey gave me a new one though, but I just like wet the hair basically, so it's like pretty much damp, like pretty much 91% wet. So basically damp. I had Saturday school today, but I didn't go because it was canceled. So you know. So actually I didn't have Saturday school. I usually would have Saturday school because I didn't go last week because it was like a mix-up. But I'm going next week for sure. I have to go because I suck at algebra 2 and I really need help with that. I know I do standard deviation, I don't even know how to say it. I know how to do that. Somewhat know how to do probability, but everything else I forgot how to do, or I just don't know how to do. And plus, if you go, you get extra credit, and I want that, so I'll be there next week. And I have 3 regions, or 4 if I want to be technical, to take this year. I have 1 math. I already have maths, 2 maths, so I don't really need that to graduate, you know, because you know you need 1 region from every subject to graduate. I have 2 maths, so I don't need to take that if I don't want to, but I'm pretty sure my parents will make me take it anyways, so I'm gonna see what I could do, because I really don't want to take it because I know I'm gonna fail and I'm gonna get a low grade. And if I get that low grade, then like it's gonna stay there forever. But yeah, I really wanted to go today, honestly, but it was canceled. So oh yeah, by the way, this brush is really good for curly hair. It detangles it so well, because you know when you use like a regular brush, it can like frizz up the hair. This actually does not frizz up the hair, and it detangles really good. And I love these sort of hair. Like the curls are so good. Like even the girl that did my wig, she loved my hair. She was like, your hair like is so good. And I don't know if the hair was gonna be good when I provided it to her, which I should have told her that, but besides the point, it's really good hair. It's so soft. The curls just bounce back. Like I love it. Like look at this. I also have to take a science region, chemistry. I don't have to take chemistry. I already have an environment region, so I'll basically just be taking this for nothing. Honestly, the only test I'm worried about is trigonometry. Everything else, easy breezy, beautiful, cover girl type. I have to take 2 globals. One is the new one. I have to take the new one first, which is so stupid, and I take the old one. I think, because my uncle's here, but I'm doing my video, so he don't have to wait. I told him to come at 9:30. He comes at 9 o'clock. Like, why would you? Whatever. But I like because they give you 2 chances. Like, they say if you don't do good on the other one, they'll take what the highest score is and just keep that one. Because you need a global to graduate. You need a history to graduate. You need a global, a US, and I think that's it. It's only global US, I believe. But yeah, guys, so it's $85, I believe. And then to get it installed is $15. So basically $100. Which is not bad to do the wig and everything, because usually people just charge $100 just to install it. The curls are nice. The hair is 28 inches, so As you guys can see, it's very, very long. It looks thin, but it really dries really thick, so we love that. So the hair is really curly and nice. So then for the top of my hair, of course, I gotta add my mousse. This is from Olive Oil. I sold from my mom's room because I don't got no more. Make sure no tracks are showing. I mean, it's gonna stop showing once it dries, so you know it's wet right now, but still. Now it lays down mad flat like this. My hair, like I'm Dominicana, period. So now I'm gonna take some water to do my edges real quick because I don't need no glue. But yeah, guys, then I just, you know, obviously scrunch it up. I can use my diffuser. Since my uncle's hair, you know, I can't use it. But I don't use it anyways. I just use my hands, so it don't really matter. This is basically how I just style my curly hair. And then the Star show is canceled. That's my only show that I really watch. I watch Power too, but I can't watch it right now because it's not on. Because he's saying you taking mad long to turn back on, so you need to hurry up, period. Lace wear, period. Your girl's going natural today. I have karate practice and I have dance, so I have to go. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretties.
Run that back, turbo.
I just got $10 million for shit that I ain't even do yet.